Hello students, so today we are making sea fish. So we require one origami paper for this. Now first we fold the triangle shape, corner to corner, edge to edge, and just give the crease properly. Now can you see we have a two triangle and we got one middle line over here. So till middle line we will fold the paper like this and give the crease. Now we fold one triangle from this side but this way and give the crease. Now we fold one triangle over here from this part like this way. The same way we fold the triangle from this side also the same way. So can you see we have a shape of Kaju Katri over here. This is the shape of Kaju Katri. Can you see? Now we fold the part from the middle. Now we fold the part here for the face and we fold one part here for tail. You have to fold the part like this and we fold the part like this. Okay. Now from here we have to unfold this part because we want to make a tail. So just open this part like this and this put the part inside. So we got the tail of the fish like this way. Now we have to now make the face of the fish. So we fold the triangle like this and we put this part inside this way. We now making a knot over here. Again I show you how to make. See, we have to fold the triangle like this, then we have to fold the part like this, then we put this part inside. So our sea fish is ready. Now we have to just draw the eyes over here. So now you have to give the background and you have to just stick the sea fish on it. Thank you.